morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Browsing Tech Guide once again. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining something to you guys. I really think from my own aspect to work a lot. So, if you have been on this online stores for long, you will notice that to make money online, there are just two basic ways. Basic. That is as I would like to divide it. First, ones that involve affiliate marketing, and secondly ones that don't. By affiliate marketing, let me not confuse you. Affiliate marketing, what I mean by that simply is just referrals. That's referring people, while those that not involve referrals. I'm speaking from my own experience here, so I don't know, depending on you, whatever experience you might have, but from my own angle here, I've noticed that in all these online stores, mostly earning from sites that does not require referrals, the earnings are quite very low. Although that is if it's not scam at all, at the end of the day you end up cashing out, but the earnings are either low or slow. While those that involve referrals, they are very massive. That's from my own experience here. They are massive. I know wherever you hear anything concerning referrals, most of you want to run away. You be thinking, how will I refer? All those stuff. Anyway, Browsing Tech Guide got you covered, as you find the guide to that in the description box below. To stop beating around the bush, what I'm trying to bring to your table today is, what if I tell you there's an app that will pays you monthly salary just for doing nothing? Just for doing nothing. Okay, before we go into the video, please, if you are new to this channel, click the subscription box button to get subscribed and turn on the bell icon so you'll be the first to get notifications whenever we upload a new update on how to make money online. From what I was saying in the previous session, so in my recent research, I stumbled across an app. Most of you might have heard of it, probably, if not all, most of you might have heard of it. Yeah, the app actually is a microfinance bank, VFD. That is VBank marketing. Here is it here. So actually, I've wrote some detailed review on it on our blog website. For those of you that are active on the website, you should have seen a detailed review on it here. But I'm just going to show you how you can be paid 30,000 naira monthly, or up to 200,000 naira, depending on how serious you take it. Right, here is the steps here. So the first thing to do here on this app, the first and important thing that you have to do first, here's the app here. I won't be going through full details, so if you need it, I will drop a link in the description box below. So the first thing here, VFD Bank is a microfinance bank that is fully registered in Nigeria. If you can make more researches on it yourself, it's fully registered under the Central Bank of Nigeria, and therefore there is no possibility of scam or whatsoever. Because some of you might be afraid when they call an app that involves giving out your BVN details and others like that. Most people might be scared. That's why I'm just saying it. For proper understanding, you can make your research, or better still, detailed reviews here. So all you need to do on this app is, first of all, you download the app. All what you need is a sponsor code, as you can see here. For those of you that will need it, I'll also be dropping in the description box a sponsor code like this one. You need a sponsor code first, then you need the app. You can click here to get the app, or you can simply go to your Play Store or Apple Store, because it's available on both Android and iPhone, and just type in VFD mobile app. It will appear. Then you need 2,000 naira to activate your account. Don't worry, this 2,000 naira that you need to activate your account, it is not a fee that you are paying. You are not registering for a site or one of those sites that they ask you pay money for. So this 2,000 naira, you can withdraw your money back every fucking time you want. But to keep your account active, this 2,000 naira now must be on your account for a minimum of 30 days. Yeah, a minimum of 30 days before you can withdraw. So having said that, once you download the app here, wherever you are asked for a referral code, input this here. So after you have done that successfully, all you do is deposit your 2,000 naira. So I'll be showing you how to deposit it here. So I just log into my account here. I'll show you how to deposit it. It's very easy, and then I'll show you how you can start earning from it by registering as an agent. Okay. Alright guys, okay, here is my dashboard. Here you can see showing 2000 a year. So how to fund this is actually easy. All you do is click on fund, then you can pick any of this method. The card method is currently not available, so you just, like for me, I like going with transfer with bank. So then you click on this continue button here and copy your account number. Here's your account number here. This one is not like other mobile wallet accounts like branch or that they open Wema account for you. This one is a standard account on its own. So if you are even doing the transfer from your account, you see there as VFD Microfinance Bank. So for me, here's my account number. You copy it simply, then slide to your mobile app and deposit your 2000 naira. So once you have done, the next step to do to start receiving your monthly payment is to register as an agent. I'll drop the link in the description box below also. And for those that would like to come to get the full details, I'll drop a link to my blog website there, so you can just get through it. So after you click the link to become an agent, you click this sign up here. So to sign up, you need that account number I copied from our app. That's after you have registered and deposited your 2000 naira successfully. You paste in the account number here, and then all you do is continue. So I'll be doing it here because I have an account already. So once you click continue, that is all. You'll be sent a code to your email. So you click that link, set your password, and then you copy your code and start referring. So that'll take us to the referrals now. You have to refer 25 active people to start receiving 30,000 naira per month. So what do I mean by these active people? Those people you are referring, they must register with your link. Your code, your referral code. That is the sponsor code. When opening it, after opening it, they must deposit 2,000 naira on their account just as you deposited, and that 2,000 naira must be on their account for a minimum of 30 days before they withdraw it. That is the 25 people. If that is done successfully, you start receiving monthly payment of 30,000 naira. Okay, so if you want to know all the levels and all that, how long you be paid, everything I've explained in this website here, so you can just come here to get the full details. But for 25 referrals, you'll be paid 30,000 naira monthly. And then those people you referred, one person can deposit 4,000 naira in his own account. Like, for one's account to be active, one person you referred must deposit 2,000 naira. Same with others, the other 24. But one person can deposit 4,000 naira. That is among your referrals. One person can deposit 4,000 naira in his account and cover up for another person that his or her money is not up to 2,000 naira. This is just once. You can. Some people might be asking questions that, okay, what if I deposit more than 2,000 naira in a single account to cover for the other account? No, it doesn't work that way. Only 4,000 naira is the maximum to cover up for his account and another person on the platform also, and then another person like that. So if you have any question, you can also drop it in the comment section. Most of you might be thinking it will be hard to get referrals. Don't worry, we got you covered. I have a detailed review here on how you are going to get referrals to this program. Simple, and if you follow it up, depending on how serious you are, at least it takes you long, at least in a month you should be able to get your complete 25 people and start receiving your 30,000 naira monthly. So I dropped a link here on how to get referrals. I don't know where it is here now, but if you scroll, okay, here it is. So I drop a link here. Once you click this, you get a detailed review on how to get referrals to your platform. Okay guys, if you have any questions, my contact details will be in the description box below, so you can contact me, and please drop a comment in the section box below so that your questions that are answered will help others also. If you like what I do, please subscribe, share this video to others, make this video go viral, like and comment. Thank you.